Alrighty, welcome back to the Swear Car Company. I'm Kyler Allred, and today we are looking at this absolutely stunning 2024 Kia Carnival LX. I love Kia's minivans. They're so super duper spacious, and honestly, feel so luxurious when you're driving it because it is so smooth and the interior looks absolutely phenomenal. But hopping into it, we have it listed at a whopping $33,277, which is such a steal. As much as I love this car, I bet you guys will love this price even more. But especially considering that its starting MSRP was $35,600, and so it's already $2,000 cheaper when you come and buy it here at LeSueur. But on top of that, we actually are located on a plot of county island land, meaning that you as a customer or as a buyer will save an extra 2 to 3% because you don't have to pay city sales tax. Honestly, such a steal. But let's go ahead and hop into this car. It's got this beautiful red exterior with that saddle brown leather interior, which just looks great. I love it. You feel so luxurious when driving it, especially considering that this car has all the features. It has power adjustable seating as well as heated seatings for both the passenger and driver's seat. We got those aluminum alloy wheels as well as keyless and remote start to this car. Such a good car. There's so much storage. I think that's the highlight of this vehicle. You can lower that third row of seatings and into the ground, and it just gives you so much space. So if you ever need to haul anything, this car has it. But I just love how many people this car can fit. You can fit up to 8 people in here, which is amazing. You get so much space in this car, so please come check it out. If you're interested, reach out to a salesman, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask and we will answer them. Especially since as a car dealership, we're approaching 50 years of operation here at LeSueur Car Company, meaning that we know how to answer your questions and how to help you find a car that fits your needs and fits your situation the best. So please feel free to come check it out. We hope to see you soon at LeSueur Car Company. Have a good one.